Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Brett and I'm going to show you how to swap Premiere Pro clips on your timeline the easiest way possible. So if we just hop right into our timeline, you can see I have 3 clips here already arranged in my timeline. Now normally if I wanted to swap these clips around, I'd have to drag this one over here, drag this one here, and then drag this one back. But there's actually an easier way to do that. If I hit Control Alt and drag this clip to the end of my other clip, then it'll automatically swap the 2 clips. But if my clip isn't on my timeline yet, and it's actually in my source monitor, like this here, instead of deleting this clip, dragging this one down and then reconnecting them, what I can do is actually hold Alt, click and drag your source monitor and apply it to the clip you want to replace, and then it'll automatically replace that clip for you. And those are the easiest ways to swap clips on your Premiere Pro timeline. Learn these and editing will be so much faster when you're not manually moving all your clips around. Make sure to follow me for video editing tutorials. I post a new tutorial every day, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.